Have you ever wondered how to create beautiful origami creations? Welcome to a fascinating journey through the art of origami. Today, we're transforming ordinary papers into exquisite masterpieces, from classic cranes to delicate butterflies and versatile origami boxes. All you need are square sheets of paper, a flat surface, clean hands, and patience. Origami is as much about the journey as the end result. Gather your supplies and let's into the world of origami. Every great origami creation begins with mastering the basic folds and techniques. Today, we're exploring the foundational folds that will equip you with the skills to craft your own origami. Our journey starts with the valley fold, fundamental to all origami. A simple fold in half, but precision is crucial. A neat fold results in a polished masterpiece. The mountain fold, resembling the valley fold's mirror image, is next. It forms a paper peak pointing upwards. We then venture into the petal fold, the backbone of many origami flowers. It starts with a squash fold, which is then unfolded and flattened into a petal shape. Tricky, but with practice you'll master it. Final fold is the squash fold, which transforms a square into a three-dimensional shape. It requires you to squash the paper down, opening up a world of possibilities for your creations. Origami is an art of precision and neatness. Each fold should be crisp, each crease sharp. It's a process, a journey, and it's about having fun. With these basic folds, you're now ready to start creating your own origami masterpiece. One of the most iconic origami designs is the crane. This design, a symbol of hope and healing, requires precision and patience. Let's start the process. We begin with a flawless square. A tidy square ensures neater folds, resulting in a polished crane. Next, fold your square diagonally, then unfold and refold into a smaller square. You've created the preliminary base. Up next, the bird base. Fold the layers of the model inwards along the existing creases. You'll get a diamond-shaped figure. From here we form the crane's neck and tail. Fold both sides of the diamond upwards, creasing sharply. Unfold, then inside reverse fold along the creases. This forms the crane's slender neck and tail. Lastly, we'll create the crane's head. An inside reverse fold near the neck top will make the crane's head. Precision and patience are vital. Each fold shapes the crane, so don't rush. Origami's beauty lies in the process as well as the finished product. And there you have it, your very own origami crane. Keep practicing. Mastering origami is a journey. Soon, you'll fold cranes effortlessly. Next on the list is the delicate and beautiful origami butterfly. With its intricate folds and elegant design, it is a testament to the magic of origami. Begin with a square piece of paper. Fold it in half to form a rectangle, then unfold it to get a center crease. Fold the paper in half again, along the opposite axis. Then fold the paper diagonally, corner to corner, resulting in a triangle. Unfold it, and repeat for the other two corners. You should now have a paper with an asterisk-like crease pattern. Pinch the creases and push them towards the center, forming a smaller square. Fold the bottom corner of the square up to meet the top corner, then repeat this with the other side. The result is a diamond shape. Fold the top layer of the bottom corner of the diamond up to meet the top corner. Do the same on the other side. Now fold the top of the model downwards, aligning with the bottom edges of the wings to form the butterfly's body. The world of origami butterflies is as diverse as real butterflies. By varying the size of the paper and the folds, you can create a variety of butterflies. From the simple swallowtail to the intricate monarch, the possibilities are endless. So, you see, with some patience and precision, you can create a swarm of paper butterflies. Not all origami creations are decorative. Some, like the origami box, can be quite functional. Have you ever imagined making it? Start with a square paper. The color you select will be your box's exterior. Fold the paper in half, then unfold it. Repeat this, creating a cross in the center. This cross is a guide for your next folds. Now fold each corner into the square center. Unfold the corners, and you'll observe creases forming a grid. These creases will assist you in the next steps. You've created your box's foundation. Now it's time to shape it. Fold the top and bottom edges into the center line, then unfold these. Repeat with the left and right sides. Unfold again, and you'll notice squares in your grid. Lift the corners of the middle squares, folding them upwards. The sides will form your box walls. Secure these by folding the top flaps inward. You've crafted an origami box. This box can be a storage solution for items like paper clips or can be a unique gift box. With this origami box, you're not only an artist but a practical craftsman as well. Keep folding, keep creating, and keep having fun with origami. The world of origami is vast and full of creative possibilities. We explored basic folds, transforming paper into creations like the crane, butterfly, and box. Key steps and tips shared today are your introduction to this enchanting world. Each piece teaches a lesson: the crane precision, the butterfly transformation, and the box functionality. As you journey into origami, keep these lessons in mind. Practice is essential, and there's a world of origami waiting for you to explore. Patience and precision are key. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more origami tutorials.